Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious sea bass and chickpea vegetable meal prep. It's so yummy and so good for you. First thing we're going to do, we're going to get ready all our vegetables and everything that we're going to need. I'm going to be using lentils, chickpeas, and of course fresh sea bass. We're going to start with chopping up our cabbage, so just chop it up nice and fine. I'm using food processor grater, so if you don't have it, you're going to have to grate everything by hand. But trust me, this saves you a lot of time and energy. So just grate your cabbage right all the way inside together with your carrots. And I also put my garlic in there as well. Once it's all grated and done, you're going to have a lot of veggies, but don't worry, they will shrink. Add them into a big pot and stir them together, mixing them through. Then add your tomato paste and mix everything together one more time. Go ahead and then add your sage leaves and mix everything one more time again. You want to leave the vegetables to stew for a little bit, good 5 to 7 minutes to sweat and release their flavors. After that, you want to go ahead and add your chopped tomatoes, mix everything one more time, and then add a little bit of water, mix it all again and add more water. Keep cooking your vegetables, add your seasoning, add your salt, mix everything through, and just keep cooking. You really want to cook your vegetables on a low to medium heat until they're fully cooked. Then you're going to go ahead and add your chickpeas. Mine are already cooked. Obviously drain the water and then take out the sage leaves from your mixture. Just keep cooking your veggies and then add your lentils as well. This meal is going to be full of protein, of healthy, good fats. It's just so yummy and filling. Once you mixed everything together, our mixture is done. Next, we're gonna layer down parchment paper or foil onto our baking dish. I'm gonna have to use 2 dishes to bake all my sea bass fillets. Place them all together just like so, nice and cozy. And then you're gonna add your vegetable mix with all the juice and delicious mixture on top of it. You're gonna smooth it out using a spatula or a wooden spoon, making sure it's all covered, the fish is fully covered. And then if you wanted to, you can add more seasoning on top. But definitely try it out before you add more seasoning. We're gonna bake this. We're gonna bake 2 trays at the same time until they're done. And lastly, you're gonna sprinkle some fresh greens on top. You can use parsley, coriander, or any other greens that you like. Once it's done, you're gonna scoop up each fillet with lots and lots of vegetables into your meal prep boxes and have amazing meals for the week. This makes 8 giant portions of fillets and lots of vegetables and protein all in one. Healthy fats, healthy carbs, everything you need. This is gonna last you 4 days in a fridge, or if you wanted to freeze this, you can up to 1 month in your freezer. I really hope you enjoy this healthy meal prep, and I can't wait to see yours.